The internet is now just booming with offers to teach you how to create a YouTube channel from scratch and make money on it. Almost all top YouTubers, owners of channels with millions of subscribers, invite you to their courses How to Become Famous on YouTube and Get 1 Million Subscribers. I personally purchased, tested and completed a lot of paid online and offline courses from most famous YouTube gurus like Sean Cannel, Stepan, Darel Evas and others. Keep watching and you will get independent, honest feedback and answer whether is it possible to become a YouTube millionaire very fast and what YouTube gurus don't tell you, and maybe I will save you at least $100. But before that, let me show the easiest way to get 1 million subscribers. Are you ready? Go! Okay, that's it. My video is done. I'm kidding. Keep watching. Hi folks, Dmitry Bonder there. Let's be honest, it's such an attractive idea to work from home, shoot videos, post them and get checks from YouTube every month. But is everything that simple and is it true? Fortunately, my 3 years of trials and errors have already allowed me to form a fairly accurate picture of what is happening in this business industry. Wait, Dmitry, you may think, who are you to tell us something here? Maybe you too want to sell us online course How to Become a Millionaire on YouTube? Well, first of all, I will not. There is no link to sell courses in the description. There are no coupons that will expire soon. I'm just a creator on YouTube like you who is trying to find the holy grail of YouTube. So the only one thing I may ask you, could you please click like and subscribe button? The second reason you can trust my words is that in 2019-2012 I spent about $300 on several YouTube online courses and trainings. In 2020 I attended the largest WeBull Summit conference in the United States where I listened to the people of the level of Mr. Beast, Peter McKinnon and many others who have, audience about 30 million subscribers on their channels. I face-to-face talk with people who have reached 1 million subscribers and they are leaders in this area. For example, I spent 2 days in Las Vegas with Sean Cannel, it's a Sync Media, on exclusive YouTube training. I completed his paid video ranking academy. By the way, later I bought and completed the Stepan course. And Stepan, if you know, he has about 2.5 million subscribers. In May 2020, I ordered a paid consultant from a Darel Evas. And finally, at the beginning of 2012, I reached 100,000 subscribers on one of my channels, ZNOUA, mostly organically. I also have smaller channels that focus on a different target audience and countries and in different language. So today I'm not a person who can be caught by a sales pitch, just buy our course and you will become a millionaire very soon. Okay, the first myth that many famous YouTubers like to repeat. YouTube is very easy, just turn on the camera, get started. Damn it, it's not true. If you launch your YouTube channel, that doesn't mean that you will be successful, even reach 1,000 subscribers. It's like take on your running shoes and run, and in 1 month you will be world champion or the fastest marathon runner. So from my experience, YouTube is a long, hard distance. The length of the race is about 2-3 years. It's all very much depends on your niche, experience and persistence. For example, business niche, personal finance, tech reviews and other are the hardest and overcrowded niches. Kids segment, for example pranks, could be a little bit easy but is not so lucrative. I really like the phrase I heard from Sean Cannel, Think Media. He said, while doing YouTube, be a businessman, not a businessman. Do you expect your business to grow to 1 million in sales just in 1 month? I hope you are smart enough. By the way, if you ask me, can I recommend the Sean Cannel products and courses? To be honest, yes, but you will get the most of all these products if you are just beginner and don't know how to shoot, choose the right equipment, what competitive topics to choose, how to take your video, how to post it in right time. All this knowledge and steps will give you a chance to start your channel quickly, but it's not enough to grow fast to 1 million, so keep in mind all these facts. A little bit later, I purchased his 2-day mastermind event in Las Vegas. It was an online event, it was just a group of 10, maybe 12 people, YouTubers like me, and we studied in details everything from planning to optimization, key metrics, and how to market your business. How to make YouTube as a business. It was a great event, but to be honest, it didn't help me to make 1 million subscribers on this channel, because YouTube, right, it's a long game. The second myth that many famous YouTubers like to repeat again and again: choose any niche you like, do what you like, and YouTube algorithm will find you soon. I totally disagree with this statement. It matters a lot in what niche you decided to launch a YouTube channel. First of all, it matters how many people can find your video, how many times per month they search for specific words. Some YouTube niches are very profitable and competitive. For example, electronics reviews, personal finance and investments, health-related niches, and some other. Some other niches are very limited, and there are no chance that you will get millions of views in this specific niche. Believe me, it's really hard to put more and more effort when you see 100 views per month on video that took a lot of time from you to shoot and edit. Let me give you one example. When I shoot a video about famous US business entrepreneurs who moved to United States and founded their companies, for example, like Elon Musk, Sergey Brin, Max Levchin, Jeff Bezos and others, I barely could get about maybe 100-200 searches per month. When I made a video about PPP loan program, it's a very hot topic right now for many small businesses after COVID-19. I easily got 800, maybe 1000 views just in few hours. By the way, to focus on this niche with famous founders, it was advice from Darel Evas, the founder of It Summit. I know he works with Mr. Beast and some other YouTubers. I paid him $500 for 1 hour consult with him, and he gave me advice to change my topic and niche and shoot video about famous US immigrants. And you know, I should say it was a disaster, and it was a wrong decision I made based on his advice to choose this specific niche. It seems like not so many people are interested in this topic. After 2 months, hundreds of hours of shooting, editing, and so on, I decided to choose another niche for my YouTube channel that you see right now. By the way, Darel also has a kind of jumpstart program that cost about $5,500. His manager tried to sell this program, but I decided to skip it because my first personal interaction with Darel and his team wasn't very successful. Moreover, this Jumpstart program is a kind of group coaching. I don't trust this format, and I don't understand how you can work specifically on specific need of YouTuber when you have a group like 12-30 people. And one more example, but maybe with a happy end, is a Meet Kevin channel. This guy started his channel 3 years ago, and he was a real estate agent in LA. He shot a lot of videos about his investments and his real estate properties. Before COVID-19, he had about maybe 10-12,000 views per video in average. But in March 2012, after lockdown, he started making 35 videos per day about stimulus checks, and all this topic relates to COVID-19. And boom, he grew from 100,000 to almost 1 million in 5 months. Okay, what does it mean? It means that your choice of niche matters. Now he has about 500,000, maybe sometimes even more views per one video. It's unbelievable. So the second myth busted. And it seems like famous YouTubers don't want to share their lucrative niche with someone else and to teach you this simple secret. And the third myth, some gurus tell you just post your video and traffic will come to your channel. I heard this advice from Darel Evas during the 30-day challenge. YouTube algorithm will find you, he told us. Maybe he will find you in future. There are thousands of channels on YouTube in any niche. Why would traffic and subscribers come to you? You desperately need traffic when you have a small channel. From where can you get this traffic? Let's think together. There are only 4 primary sources. First of all, paid YouTube ad. The second one, organic search volume from YouTube. The third, social networks. And the last one, some kind of cheating or let's say gray and black methods that people use to trick a little bit YouTube algorithm, and I highly don't recommend use this way to get traffic. Okay, let's take a closer look at each point. Paid YouTube ads. Yes, you can buy it and get subscribers and views, but YouTube is a company and they want to make money. You always pay for advertisement more than you get from views. Do you remember why we came to the YouTube? We want to get $5,000 per month and we don't want to spend money and invest a lot. Many top YouTubers say to me in a private conversation that sometimes they bought ads and promoted their videos. Sometimes after that some videos became viral. However, this traffic doesn't always help. And besides, are you sure that you want to spend sometimes about $1,000 to make your video viral? Are you sure? Think about this again. Okay, the second source of traffic, organic search volume. I finished the Stepan YouTube course and asked him personally several times about the most reliable and predictable way to get traffic on the channel. He repeated many times that when he was small, search traffic was one of the most predictable way to get first viewers and subscribers. I like his honest answer to many questions I asked during the course. Okay, the third source of traffic, social network traffic. Many YouTube experts lie to you when they say don't promote your video on social networks. They say it could mislead YouTube algorithm and bring you wrong target audience. It's not true. I don't trust this approach and saw much better result when I promoted my videos on social networks. By the way, the same answer I got from Sean Cannel and Stepan. They say to use any social media to bring any traffic you can reach. You know, social capital is easy to convert if you are a well-known person, but damn it, we are talking about channel development from scratch when you don't have millions of subscribers. And you know, many YouTube experts like to pretend and forget to tell you that they transfer traffic from their well-developed social accounts to YouTube channels. It's not the case for many of us watching this video. And the last popular source of traffic that nobody tells you, gray methods or cheating. Generally, it's a separate topic. Now there are a lot of services where you can buy views, likes, subscribers. All these are certainly not a high quality subscribers that you don't want to deal with. None of YouTubers, top YouTubers, like to cover this topic. Let me give you one example. Stepan told in his course that at the beginning he bought some kind or some number of subscribers to get monetization. You may ask why. Because YouTube treat your video in a different way when your video is monetized and it's not monetized. But not so many top YouTubers cover this topic because they don't want to share all these gray secrets and to tell you how sometimes and what you need to do at the beginning when your channel are very small. Okay, so myth number 2 busted. Traffic will not come to you just because you're a super cool guy or lady. You have to bring it some way through pay ads, maybe organic search volumes, maybe social networks, or maybe gray and black methods. And myth number 3. YouTube gurus tell you, hire people and you will be shooting video and you will a popular star and other people will be doing your job. When you bought a camera, let's say about 1,000, lighting equipment and sound equipment, let's say $100. When you hire some team for editing in a DaVinci Resolve or Adobe Premiere, you will have a budget of several thousands spent on all of this. Do you want high quality footages for your YouTube videos? Then you need about $40 per month for your subscription. Do you need a good music and don't want to be banned by YouTube when you're using sounds? Be ready to spend maybe $30–40 on the other services. You are not ready to spend all of this money, you just want to get money from YouTube? Then welcome to the club of full-time YouTubers who have to do it by themselves. That's actually what I did at the beginning. And probably the last thing that top YouTubers don't talk about, especially those who sell courses, is that it's much easier to sell lessons on how to make money on YouTube than to create content. YouTube is a hard work. It's often 5–6 hours a day for scripting, shooting, uploading, thumbnails and promotion. Are you ready to spend at least 20 hours a week without a guarantee of any result? Well, let's think about this before starting any channel. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope I saved you at least several $100. And I hope that all these top YouTubers will not kill me. And my question of the day, what are your favorite top YouTubers? Do you have your own channel? Please leave your comments below. I will be happy to check it and maybe even subscribe on some of your channels. So now you know how to make millions of dollars on YouTube. My name is Dmitry Bonder and I'm Mythbusters of YouTube. Good luck!